Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to export your data from any uploaded MVN files already in the cloud. If you don't have any files in the cloud yet, please see our tutorial on how to upload files into the cloud. Otherwise, let's continue. So first you want to go to the MVN processing tab, and then let's search for our MVN file. So we already uploaded this goalkeeper, which is doing a high dive, and I want to export a certain part of this. So we can select this. This is already being processed before, and you can see it by the state being available. So let's open it. We can see some information on what the quality was and what scenario we have it on. But if we want to export it, you have to click the three dots in the Actions section and click Export. This brings us to the export section where you can see the animation file. You can play it back, and in this case you see that the goalie is diving to the right and later on to the left. But in this case I'm only interested in the first part. So let's add the first part to our export selection. If you click Add New Export to Selection, you will get a slider and a selection bar. Let's first scrub to our animation to see which part we want to select. So I just want to have the goalie standing and diving. So this is about right. Then I can select any export type. I can do BVH, FBX or MVNX, and then I can type the name. So maybe I want to do this high dive, and he's diving to his right. So let's call it right. You see this start and end framed, and then I can also add export options. So I can add some frame skips to downsample it. I can have the first frame overwritten with a T-pose. I can select skeleton or nodes and different formats, but this is all already selected for Motion Builder, so I will save. And now I can save and add. And now you can see in the timeline a first selection of my high dive right is being taken. I can add another one or multiple, and they will all eventually add to this timeline. But for now I'm only interested in this part, so I can say export files, and then yes, I'm certain. And then you can see that the MotionCloud is exporting the file. You will get a notification through email when it's ready, and you will see an update in the list. So here you can also see that it's still processing. So we'll wait, and then after it's ready, we'll be able to download it. After it's being exported, you can click the file, and then you'll see that the state is turned to available. So now we have additional actions. So for all the exports we have available here, we can click Export or click Actions and then Download. Then, for example, I can just save this to my desktop. And now we have successfully exported our file through the MotionCloud, and it's ready to be uploaded into your third-party software for animation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching.